feeling good today. I'm over the disappointment of my quantums. I'm over them. And it's another day. I got a new top on. You know what I mean? Feeling fresh, feeling good. So here we are. Here we go. So it's a big ass box. And listen, I ain't even gonna try and play dumb. You guys know what's going on. If you're a trainer here, anywhere near close to anything, you know that a big box from Adidas is either a 500 high, a quantum, or it's got to be the boots. So I guess the question is really, what one is it? It's because there were two boots. If you don't know, it's the Desert boots that came out the other day, and these ones are wrong side. Rock. Nice. I'm impressed, you know. He says that and he brings it out, and then he's not so impressed. Yeah. No, wait. No. I need to be positive. Okay. So, firstly, out the box, I just think 500 high. So, you know, these. But they're nothing like them, you know. They're nothing like them. Okay, they do have, you know, this front silhouette piece, and they've got this, you know, like the lacing from the 500 high. But whenever it comes up to the top, remember on the 500s, you know, you've got these like cushiony, alieny things. They're not like these at all. But, you know, these are actually, they're really, this is surprisingly soft. Yeah, it's midsole here. Surprisingly soft. It's really, yeah, surprisingly soft. So hopefully these will tend to be more comfortable. What I do like about this though is that yes, there is different blends of colours, but they're all near enough the same. You know, it's like a sandy desert, rocky vibe, as in the rock, not the boxer. Shout out to Sylvester. Back to the reflective point of view again. I know I keep going about the black reflectives, but I think that's something that I think Yeezy are doing really well. These little splashes of reflectivity on their trainers and their boots and shoes or whatever, it's just banging. It really is, and I'm surprised Nike hasn't cottoned onto it. But then again, Nike are just pushing out the, you know, the Jordan brand, so you know, it is what it is. They can't really diversify from that. But yo, man, I'm liking these little splashes of reflectives on these, because on the streets and that, in the night, when you get that on the shoes, it's like, oh, look at these. Or so, all right then, foot on. I did that. It's not I'm lost for words or whatnot. It's just I'm just trying to think, like, what did I like about them? What didn't I like about them? Okay, firstly, putting them on. These are a 10 and a half. So you know my size, I'm a 9. But these ones, we said, you know what, let's go 10 and a half. So we got a 10 and a half, and still putting it on, it was, you know, the elasticate with the tongue was a bit tricky to get on, but fine. Once that's on, the foot settles in absolutely perfectly fine. It was comfortable. My feet didn't feel squashed. The ankle support was really good and just felt good. Problem is, it felt chunky. It felt heavy. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, like the army guys, when they have proper boots, their boots don't feel heavy, because your boots and the boots, like trainers, they're not supposed to feel heavy. Do you know what I mean? But these just, I don't know why. they just feel really heavy on your feet, and it's just uncomfortable. You know, like you're walking around in them, and you know you're wearing boots, and that's the problem for me. That's the problem. Like, I ain't about that. So I didn't like that aspect of it. I think the profile looks okay. They do look quite wide. They do look quite fat and chunky. So if that's what you're looking for, then these are ones to defo cop. But yeah, I just didn't like the fact that I just felt the presence of them on my toes. Like not like they were tight or anything, but my feet. Every time I lifted up my feet, I knew I was wearing these heavy ass trainers, and it's not about that for me. Because again, if these are, you know, desert boots and boots are made for walking, as the song goes, then you need to be able to trek in these. And you ain't trekking nowhere in these, man. You ain't even running in these, so don't even try wearing them and get up to some mischief, because if I were gonna copy your ass, man, for real. No, but listen. Sorry guys, I'm going off on one. Just some flashbacks. No, but for real. Yeah, so these were heavy. So would I cop them? I'll give these a miss, you know, I'll give these a miss. Not because of anything, I just don't think like the desert boots really work for me. I don't even own a pair of Timbs, so boots proper don't work for me. Like, yo, a man like Kanye rocks them hard, and you know how they look, and these feel look good. You know, I guess if you're wearing loose baggy jeans, then they work quite well. Do you know what I mean? Thrown over the top or just sitting on the tongue, they'll look quite good. And so if that is your style, then defo, these are definite cop, because you ain't gonna see my people with these on them for real. So if that's your style, rock these, cop these. And you know, actually, do you know what? Post them on our site, man. style-trend.com. Let me see them. Let me see them on people's feet, because I always see mine. And you know, whenever I'm putting my trainers, I mean, whenever I'm doing a review, I'm either in shorts or I'm even a pair of straights. You know, so that's my wardrobe, right? But I want to see what they look like on some, you know, some baggy loose jeans, man. They probably rock really hard on them. Thank you for tuning in, hear me rant on for so long. And yeah, here's some more coming your way. Peace.